The Saga Pattern is a strategy for managing distributed transactions in microservices architectures. Instead of a single atomic transaction, Saga breaks down the process into a series of transactions that are executed independently and coordinated through events or compensations in case of failures. There are two types of sagas: orchestrated saga and choreographed saga. Orchestrated saga. Here, a central orchestrator manages the transaction flow by sending commands to the microservices and handling failures. For example, an order microservice requests payments and shipments to perform their operations in a certain order. Choreographed saga. In this case, there is no central orchestrator. The microservices react to events from other microservices. For example, a payment microservice publishes a successful payment event. This event triggers the process in another shipping microservice, and in turn, this microservice publishes a successful shipping event that triggers another notifications microservice. Compensation in case of error. When an operation fails, a compensation action is executed to undo the previous changes. For example, if the payment fails, then the order is cancelled. This pattern guarantees eventual consistency and is ideal for distributed systems that cannot rely on ACID transactions.
We cover this type of solution in detail in my course, where we build a complete microservices architecture from scratch using .NET, Azure, and Terraform. Check it out. The link is in the description.